the fucking supply store. Painted with brown leaves. And by supply store, I mean Walmart. I just don't really like going there. This is for parking over at Walmart. I always park off to the side next to the pallets, because the chance of me getting dinged by anybody over here is very, very low. Yeah, I like the Krylon. It's just dark enough, but still light. It's like that Apex Hyper Silver. Yeah, it looks like it's time to start the project. Daily driven M4 getting cleaned up. Look at my carbon roof. That's for a future video, but that's why I got the air blower for. Oh, look at this GTI, man. Man, one of my really good friends has a GTI, and man, we've put some work in that car, bro. Like, he got it like in stage 2. But we put a bigger intercooler, shit, a lot of maintenance, the timing cover had an oil leak, replaced both of those, water pump and cooling. Pretty simple cars to work on, honestly, and it moves pretty well. I don't know, man, I just never got into front wheel drive cars. I've hardly gotten into all wheel drive cars. Some of them, alright, you know. How you doing? Good, man. Yeah, if it's already got a label, can I just throw it on the counter? Said if it's already labeled, can I just leave it on the counter?
Do you want a receipt?
No, I don't need it. I'm good. Thank you, man. You too. Oh, it's starting to warm up. Thank God. I don't want to be in a hoodie all day. It's weird. It felt like I was up on 1. Oh. Damn, son, I almost jumped the ramp right there. So today we're going to start off with some wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys. I guess I should go ahead and just wet these up for a bit. I guess I brought the chair out here for the sanding portion. Alright guys, so here's for the reveal. Alright. Gotta say they did turn out pretty great. Got rid of the curb brush. I will say, like, there are a couple little areas that could use a little bit of touch up, but I had a decent amount of overspray. You see I missed some right there, and then I'm gonna have to go back and wipe off. But that's cool. I removed quite a bit of overspray yesterday, and I got a lot of the adhesive off of the wheels. But I mean, for how curb brush they were, so much better. You can also see the silver paint sparkle. It's a really nice color. Kind of happy with how this came out. Alright, well, this is gonna wrap it up.